Hi guys, welcome back to my model. We're playing update 6:40 I think PM now. Sorry about my bag of chips in the way from earlier today. Like I said in the last video, which I deleted, I unboxed my MD10F, which I don't know why. I'm still working on unboxing others. Like I said, this new one will be going from Atlanta to Orlando. This one will be Atlanta to Tampa. Hang on a second. Excuse me. DHL, probably Atlanta to Cincinnati, Ohio. FedEx still working on destinations for them, but I do know this UPS and FedEx will be manifesting something. This will probably be Minneapolis originator. Other than that, I don't know if I might do it after unboxing episode tonight or not. So I'm still thinking. Here's some like 2015 jumps. Oh, did I mention my calendar that I had? Yep. And that shall finish this off, you guys. Goodbye.